Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi. What you doing?
What you doing?
Just a filming.
We're at Red Province.
Yeah?
And they charge $3 for a soft drink. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, he has his coffee.
Oh, good.
Top of the morning to you, Reed.
Hi. All right, we just got here. We're turning everything on. This is on my phone, so the rest of the video is gonna look a little better. That's still Reed. Yeah, that's what all these little lights look like when they're on. They're super bright, which is nice. And yeah, what we're gonna tackle today is we're gonna get all this crap back out. We're gonna clean all this. And then once we do all that, we're gonna get these two panels out today. We're gonna deal with those bolts, which there should be some kind of in line there, some in there. We're gonna fix all those. And then after that, hopefully we'll drill the holes for the seats. We'll kind of see where we end up there. And yeah, that's about it.
We are removing the front panels today. Looks like you got a lot of them out.
Yeah, I still have a bunch more, but it's a start.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a lot of them.
Yeah. Man, just so many.
So here's our stack of stuff. And we have insulation, which is basically like a car window screen, and the floor insulation that we have left over. All of this white red stuff is wall insulation that we'll put in the walls of the bus. These are what we're going to use for the furring strips, which is basically our little mounting blocks for the wall. And then we have our sawhorses, which have been super helpful while we cut out the plywood for the floor. How's it coming?
It's coming.
Okay. We have a bunch of tools and all of our boxes, our seats. We do have extra plywood though. We have about, I'd say, half a sheet and a full sheet. And we'll use those for, I think Alphonse said the bed. He was gonna use the platform for the bed, so. Yeah. Ooh. Well, lost his screw. Tired?
A little bit.
I put water in the back of the bus if you need it.
Okay.
Well, we got the big box that used to be there with a bunch of trash. We put it way over there in the burn pile.
There's some electrical tape in one of those boxes over there. Can somebody grab me the electrical tape?
Electrical tape, not the aluminum tape. Black tape.
Like this.
Oh, you found it. And then we also moved a bunch of, we had like wood and a lot of the cardboard from the solar panels, and we moved that over to the burn pile, which is very helpful.
I don't know, I'm cutting this panel off.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
But it's very difficult.
Yeah, so you'll see how this panel extends to back here, so we don't want to have to take that box out. Definitely not that box out. So Alphonse is like trimming it and then getting the rivets out. Good job! So, while Alphonse he's trying to get out that front panel, Reed and I got all of this stuff from the shed over there because Larry was letting us store all of it. We got wood, we got this is the top of the emergency hatch from the bus. We have curtain rods that came with the bus. Same for these like emergency light things. They came with the bus. No idea what this big box is. And this wood is from the bed frame from the previous owner. And then look, we have our pretty backsplash. Oh, I can't wait to get that in. Another thing that we had with Reed's help was we got this seat out of this huge grass patch right there. The grass wasn't here because we got the bus in January, and so all of this was dead. So the bus is actually here, and then when it got too hot, we moved it under this tree so we could get more shade. But yeah, there was like, we had our wood pile here, we had the the seat there, we had like the lead batteries, which are now in our trunk, so we can take them to AutoZone to get refunded. And then we had like a bunch of sheet metal right here. So all of the wood is either in this pile. So see, we have the old floors, the old shelf right there, the old console with the cup holders, the old carpet, and we put all the metal in this pile. So we have, this is all the old siding that we had to rip out, the walls. We have the shelf brackets right there, some panels, I think this is hiding some electric. So yeah. Yay, we got it! You got it, Reed?
Yeah, it's just trying to get a notch sharpie thingy.
Woo! You got it! Yeesh. Don't know when that was. Oh wow, what's this?
Air vent.
So we are at Brahms after a very long work day. Reed, what did you order?
Cheeseburger.
And you, sir?
Crispy chick sand combo number 7 with med fry and, med drink and medium fries.
That sounds lovely.
With a subtotal of $15.98.
Great.